Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nubia Flip, and let me share with you how to change the 3 buttons navigation into the gestures in this device. So as you can see, I've already have my gestures applied, but I'll show you how to get into specific options and then what to do in order to set the gestures. So let's enter the settings first of all, and here we have to scroll to find the features. So you cannot find the gestures inside the personalization or the system. Simply we've got a separate option. So let's tap on the features, and at the very top we've got the system navigation. So let's tap. So as I said, I've got the gestures set. However, if you've got the virtual navigation, here you can also customize it. So we've got the settings icon, and here you can, for example, reorder the back button and the recents, but just by choosing a specific set. You can also decide whether you want to always show navigation bar and hold home for assistant. You can customize it. So that's what I wanted to show you. All you have to do in order to set the gestures is to tap on this option right here, and you can see that instead of the 3 buttons we've got actually anything. We do not have any kind of line. We can also customize the gestures, so let's tap on this settings icon. And here you can manage the Google Assistant, you can avoid misoperation by swipe gesture, and display bottom indicator. So by default, the indicator is hidden. However, you can simply tap on this switcher and display this line if it is most comfortable for you, more comfortable for you. Here we've got also the sensitivity option. So to be honest, I highly recommend to get back to this option after a while of using the gestures. So you will be able to decide whether you need the sensitivity to be higher or lower. It depends on you. Alright, so that was the whole setting operation, and now let me show you how to use the gestures. So just a quick tutorial. If you want to get back to the previous page, just like by using the back button, you have to swipe your finger from the side to the center, just like that. You can see this arrow, so you can release the finger. The same situation from the left side. If you'd like to get back directly to the home page, simply swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device, and make sure that this operation, this gesture will be quick and short. Just like that. And if you want to open the recents, do the same, so from the bottom to the center. However, make this this gesture a little bit longer, something like that. And after releasing the finger, here you can see the recents. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.